Hello and welcome to another Purveyor of Light Photoshop quick tip. Today we've got one on the creative side, I'll say. How many times have you heard people say, if you're not a good photographer, you got to get it right in camera? I say BS. There are things that you can do in post that you just cannot accomplish in camera. They're just physically impossible to do. And here today I'm going to show you an example of this. Here we have a photo of Travis Air Force Base in California. And the photographer shot it and with a wide lens. And of course, with a wide lens, everything got pushed back and made small. That's just the dynamic of the lens. There's nothing that he did wrong. It's just the way the optics work. And the photo is fine, but we can make it better because I know the photographer's intent, but he couldn't do it in camera. So we're going to do it in post. Okay, so let's just dive right in. So the first thing I like to do is make a duplicate of the layer just for security. And Command J, Command or Control J. And I'm going to turn that layer off just for that. That's just for insurance in case something goes wrong. And what I want to do is I got a plain sky. I'm going to put some clouds in there. I'm going to change the perspective of the formation. That's going to be the biggest thing that we're going to do here. I'm going to get the select tool and I'm going to carefully draw a rectangle out around. And I am going to Command J to put it on a separate layer. Okay, so now I have the formation on a separate layer. I want to free transform, Command and Control T, and I'm going to change the perspective. Now this is something that the photographer wanted but could not accomplish in camera. He wanted this dynamic, but he couldn't achieve it. Okay, hit enter to commit. And now you can see we've got a little bit of blending to do. So we're just going to add a layer mask to this layer and painting in black with a soft brush. Okay, all the way soft. I'm going to paint in black just to blend things in. My opacity and flow is only 24%. That's so it makes it easy to blend in, so that we don't have any harsh edges. Okay. And for demonstration purposes, that's good enough. Okay. So now, if you could see what we were and what we've gone to. See, it's a much better photo. We're not changing the photo from reality. We are just simply compensating for what couldn't be done in camera. This was the concept that he wanted, but he couldn't achieve it in the camera. Quite a dramatic effect. And if you think you agree, this is a much better photo. Okay? The before and the after. And again, like I said, this is what the whole purpose of post-processing is about, is improving the end product. Okay? So I hope you found this useful. It's a simple, easy tactic. And if you have any other questions, you give me a call. Till next week, you guys take care.